Beto, wala pa rin siya. Betong? Honestly, umiiyak na ako. Naiisip ko kung naiwan ako dito tapos wala si Betong. Betong! Talaga maalis. Isa! Art!
Hindi ko alam kung talaga umiiyak at o...
Although, tuloy pa rin yung laban at tuloy-tuloy pa din, pero shucks, yung iisipin mo na nakakaiyak na lagas na sila at si Betong ang wala.
Dapat matatalo na ako nun.
Kasi yung kay, pero yung kay John, medyo ka nagpa-din kasi ganyan. Tsaka sila na-pressure siya.
Panic na ako eh.
Habang wala pa si Step at kulang pa yung power nila na mag-vote out, gusto ko din somehow na matalo na din kami.
It would be a wise strategy for the team or para to prolong your stay here na hindi ako makokontento na nagpatalo ako to get here.
Keep the ball, for sure. And then keep the charge strong para buong niya na. That's it. But I think that's how they'll play it because they don't know how long this is going to go for.
We'll see tomorrow. Very well. Baka gusto nilang palakasin yung Bulan na all boys sila. So we were fearing for Isa, unang-una. And actually sila lahat eh. Naisip rin namin na baka si Betong magpa-vote out na lang, mag-sacrifice.
Masaya ako dahil nanalo tayo.
Pero alam ko may kapalit yun. Nung nagkaiyakan kami ni Chucky, iniisip na si Isabel ngayon, sobra din akong nalungkot para kay Chucky kasi yun nga, sobra silang close, tsaka sa ganitong paraan pala sila magkakahiwalay. Parang kasi they take care of each other eh. Iniingatan nila yung bawat isa, sinusuportahan. This is my home.
I'm worried for Johnny. Hindi ko lang paano nila maano yan eh. 3-on-3. Baka ano nangyari, merong tie. Tapos they can have the flint. I don't know how they're gonna do it. The case is smart enough to do it. I was worried talaga. I was thinking, paano ba nito gagawin? You know, how are they gonna do this? How are they gonna vote someone out? Because I knew that kahit Bulan sila, there's still Bulan and Tala eh. Dalawang tribes na dun eh.
So after we lost our challenge, our first challenge is the New Bulan, we went back to camp. We were upset. And also, alam namin na we need to find out how we're going to vote.
Ayaw namin pumunta sa tribal council ngayong gabi. Talaga. Ayaw na namin matalo. Kaya lahat sobrang nalungkot.
Sobrang layo. Oo, sobra. Alam mo, nalito siya sa puzzle.
Eh, alam naman niya na square yon. So, nung pag-uwi, parang iniisip ko, so natalo kami na nakakagulat. Kasi, baliktad pa ni Carlo, ang daming time na pwede.
Sobrang disappointed kasi syempre parang alam mo na pupunta ka sa sitwasyon na ayaw mo, pupunta ka sa sitwasyon na parang magiging tahimik yung tribe mo and alam mo darating na sa point na baka ito na yung nagsastart na talaga yung maduming laro.
You're the Terminator?
No, he's still the Terminator. You didn't play A, so you have to go. Sorry,
upset, so we wanted to get revenge, so we decided to kill a chicken.
Ay, you don't want to cut off the head?
Pwede yung cut off the... Yung Terminator?
Experience.
Ay, sige. I know, Isabel can do all the best that she can do.
Tapang to ah. So, me and Johnny are holding down the chicken, and I make her practice. Muna, practice, huh?
Uy!
The chicken saw that.
You get the strength, the endurance,
And the bolo.
and the goal.
So be careful.
Oh my God, just think, okay,
Yeah, never mind.
I will be right back.
To let you know we're voting for Arthur.
Ganun ka mas tala. Kung merong kailangan iboto, pag-uusapan.
Pasok, Tribo Bulan!